Where you been? What? Getting nothing from you. Can you hear me, Dave?
That. Okay. Do we get a check?
Hey, now I can hear you.
Oh my God. There we go. Much better.
Oh.
Slept right through my alarm this morning.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's not healthy.
It's not ideal. And then I got here. I got to the street or set up the stream and then took a short here. NQ right off the sort of this breakdown at the lows here. Locked in about 220. I was down about $50 or something from yesterday. So
All right.
yeah, turned out pretty nice. Could have held it longer. Unfortunately, it tapped my stop in profit, and we're looking lower. How's your morning?
Oh, it's been all right. Did a little pre-market analysis and decided today was going to be weird. Yeah, that's about it.
Nice. Hey, there's Blackout News. Good morning. Got some people popping in the stream here. 5 on YouTube and 6 in X. There we go. Well, I didn't really expect us to roll over this morning. Interesting to wake up to.
Oh, really? Yeah, I woke up this morning and went, "Oh, this is just ugly." That
Yeah,
was all I had. Just plain old ugly.
yeah. It was like when I went to sleep, we were looking like we were starting to be bullish, but as we know, that doesn't really mean much for the New York session, anyways.
Yeah.
So I need about basically $500 to pass that apex, and I think I only have like what today and maybe tomorrow. I don't know if it renews exactly on the 13th. I should probably log in and just check that real quick. Might have to try to finish it today. Renews on March 13th. So that means I gotta finish it by today, I guess, eh? Looks like it. The war effect, eh? You need 490 to pass your TPT account? Nice.
So oil's looking like it's going up. The indices are hating it.
Oh yeah.
Bond market's flat. NQ just created a new low a day.
Yeah.
It's been fun. And by fun, I mean this is no fun at all.
Yeah, not a very fun price movement. Let's see if we can't find some entries here. That's the war effect, hey, Lafta? The impact of oil on the indices.
Oh yeah. Oil goes up, indices go down. It's just not a good time to be had by anyone.
Right? So I kind of set up my camera a little bit different. I don't know if you can see that, but But I kind of got I found a mount that I had sitting around, and I kind of like set it up in a slightly different area. So it's kind of a top-down view, and it's more like I'm looking at the camera.
Okay.
So
You want to feel a little more approachable.
yeah, just I was looking too far above, sort of above the camera when I was talking to the chat and whatnot. So
Okay. So today has been a 1 micro day.
yeah, probably a good idea. I mean, it looks like it's been pretty choppy, sort of too, on the way down here.
It's been a little choppy on the way down, and trading a couple of test accounts. So I don't want to deal with the trailing drawdown nonsense.
Yeah. Kind of want to take a long here. We sort of just taking a look at the price action here. We swept some lows. Let me see here. We swept some lows from what day was that there? Last Friday. Oh damn, look at that. Should have taken that. Hey, the hawk flies, what's up? I noticed this toggle button on the right lower corner of the chart, RTH and ETH. It changes the chart slightly. Yeah, so that's just whether or not you want to see pre-market or not, right?
Yeah,
Hey,
it's
Darren,
electronic trading hours or regular trading hours is what that.
Yeah, exactamundo. Damn, should have got in on that long there.
That's all right. I got it for you.
Oh, nice.
And got stopped out in profit. So
Beautiful. We are currently right in a 5-minute bearish fair value gap from the previous little push down there. Just got a bookmap connection lost for some reason. Okay, there it's back. I thought I was going to get a power outage last night. It was so windy here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Haven't had any issues with wind here. Just earthquakes and landslides.
I'm in this long, guys. It got pretty volatile. Is that going to be the top of the move there? Let's see if we can't push us back up to the highs. Putting a stop in profit here.
Very nice.
Keep going, keep going. Up 170 on 2 micros here. There we go. A little
Wow,
more.
that's impressive.
250. Stopped out. There we go. That was a nice trade. 209 on that. You know, I just saw them. I saw the price just start going. You know, when it does that jiggly jumpy thing.
And it's about to launch in one direction or the other.
Yeah. And since we had just came off a nice bullish green candle there, I was like, okay, let's go. This long is in. Nice. Okay, so 721, 280 to pass this guy now. 280. It's inverse of oil right now. It's been an easy day. Oh, nice. Hey, good for you, Blackout. If you read the market clean today, it looks pretty tough to me, but obviously
it hasn't really. I mean, it's been relatively predictable.
Okay. I was late this morning, so
I mean, it's just been chopping down.
wow, that was quite a sell-off with the bounce there on oil. So did NQ? Yeah, NQ did the exact opposite. You're right. Watch oil do the opposite NQ. Yeah.
Been in NQ short right now, so
Nice. Look at that, eh? Making money, both of us in opposite directions again. Here you go, Nick.
as per usual.
Geez, I'm so because I've been late. Don't even have my view hops up. What's going on here?
All right.
Nice trade, Nick.
21 micros on that short.
Ooh, sheesh. Wow. You saw it here, people.
Oh shit! I should have stayed in it. Wow.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's just down and down.
Let me not FOMO into a trade here. I'm gonna go grab some coffee. So what did you do all night?
Slept. Yeah, I have no idea.
Didn't play hockey or anything?
No, I didn't. But I slept right through. I don't know why. I just slept right through the alarm. I was like laying with my eyes closed, and I was like, I wonder what time it is. Look over. I'm like 7 o'clock. Oh my god, what the hell?
Nope.
7:10 or something. I think it was. It's like, how did that happen? Just one of those nights.
We've all had them.
Yeah. So I ended up winning a free account off of Abby's giveaway yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, 50K top one futures eval.
Nice.
Jeez, are we gonna push the lows here again?
I mean, it's
oil's
looking pretty heavy.
And oil's just taking the highs right now too. I'm taking a 1 micro short here. Let's see if we can't get a little continuation. Oh, I'm gonna cut this. Super small loser there, $15. But I just looked over and I saw gold was just falling.
Gold's falling?
Or sorry,
Really?
not gold. Oil. oil, sorry.
Oh,
Like it was trying to take the highs there, and it looked strong, and then pulled back really good. So, as per Blackout Network's suggestion there, looks like I basically missed the entire ASFX stream. You're in like this position like this, like hand on your chin. Oh, there you go. It updated it. Yeah.
typical.
As you can see, chat, Nick is very focused in on the next potential trade coming up.
No, I'm just falling asleep. Drank too much last night.
There you go. One too many
Or
beers?
this morning.
Or this
Something
morning.
like that.
Depends on how you look at it.
I was looking at charts and drinking margaritas.
Blackout News Network's been trying to reach max consistency, but don't want to screw myself. Yeah, don't want to give it back. I mean, if you have a nice green day, maybe it's not a bad idea to just walk away, lock that in.
Not necessarily a bad idea.
Oil's popping up here again, but it's kind of pulling back. NQ's sort of trying to push back lower, but not getting any luck here. Hey, Kaylin, that's a funny coincidence, man. That's so funny. Look at that. You'll never guess what I did this morning, Kaylin. I literally got on the stream at like 7:20 or something, which is 10:20 a.m. Yeah, it's hard when you love trading. Might buy another eval to start. Hey, that's always an option too, right? Yeah, I think I got the stream going about 1 hour late. And then as soon as I hopped on, I was in a short. I was down $50. Made 220 on this account, and then now I'm up about 280 in this Apex. We need about $300 more. Don't want to rush it.
So I got 10 micros on a little NQ long scalp. And just got taken out in profit. So
Nice.
Happy about that one. Covered costs and commissions, and that's about it.
Yeah, I'm also in along there. Not stopped out yet in the money or not. Looking for it to hopefully take this, push this highs here a bit. These recent candle body closures anyways. Yep. Thinking I might need to stop this guy out though. We're kind of Not really getting the momentum I was hoping for here. Come on, boys, let's go. We're right at break even right now. Come on, guys. Help us pass this ABAX account here. Getting some pretty strong volatility here. Come on, boys. Not liking how we're not getting any push higher, though, here.
Yeah. Oil looks like it's trying to push back up, so that tells you anything.
I need to stop this out. I'm down $20 currently. Not a huge deal. 2 micros. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to stop it out if we start making a red candle here. Yeah, we got stopped out there. Not gonna force it. What am I, short one here? Oh, that was only one contract. That's why. Yeah, I just closed it there. You caught the bottom pop of NQ up 350 and Ignite top on futures account, and currently in a long 24 610 and 2 other top accounts. Hey Dad, good morning. Now I know why I couldn't find you guys at 6:30 on the TV or the phone. Yeah. Stop loss moves to 24 620 TP. TP at 24 690. Gonna set it and forget it.
That's one way of doing it.
Okay. All right, Kaylin, have a good one. Looks like might have been taken out of that trade there then. Well, I think I might end up staying flat here for a bit because we're not really going anywhere.
Wow. This is oil is just doing some kooky shit now.
So is NQ.
Is NQ dropping right now?
Yeah.
Oil's
It was
going
looking
up.
bullish. And then now it's dropping. Yeah, I should have listened to my own advice there. It was looking so bullish, and I went long, and yeah, took another L. So I'm going to be sitting on my hands here for a few minutes before I give everything back on these on this eval here. How's Bitcoin looking? 69,650.
So it's coming up a little bit. Is that correct?
I didn't really look at it lately, but I'm just about to open it up here. Selling off today a bit from 70K down to 69. It seems like it's been sort of stuck in this range here, 69 to 71 for some time anyways.
So I just did something excessively stupid.
Uh-oh.
When I pulled up the oil chart, I forgot to turn it back, and
Oh.
I just took an oil long.
Oh.
I'm up $600 on it, and I just locked in $200 in profit. But that was not in my plan for the day. I don't trade oil.
Yeah.
I just wanted to look at it, but I had the oil up on the other screen.
Mm-hmm. Well, at least it worked in your favor to make this mistake.
Locking in 600.
Nice. There you go.
Locking in 800.
Whoa. That's crazy.
Locking in 950, 940. Took some profit off of that one. Down to 2 minis. And I'm out.
Very nice trade, though. That worked out really good. Just lost 200 in oil, got stopped out. Going long, then it ripped. Oh, damn. Yes.
Oh, that was a butt puckering experience.
A little bit of stress.
Yeah. So let me switch this back over. There.
Yeah, I'm not really loving the price action here now. Not looking that friendly at the moment. Not looking that friendly. We're gonna have to wait for some sort of move here, other than this consolidation. The Hawk Flies. Does Nick have a Discord too? No, not his own Discord, but he's in our Discord. So if you have anything to post and you want to, you can always tag him in there.
Tag me, send me some stuff. Happy thoughts. Pictures of cats falling off of things.
Hey, Zara, good morning. How are you? We're doing good, thanks. You thought you heard he did? You're having oral hallucinations.
Nope, I don't have my own Discord. I don't plan on it. I'll do it with Dave, but that's about it. Oh, excuse me.
What time were you up this morning?
About 3:30.
Damn. That's early.
Yes, it is.
Can't wait this week to end. Good, then bad, then good, then bad news. The market's really something. Yeah. Ain't that right, Czar? Hey, there's Tim. Good morning. How you doing this morning, Tim? Busy at the farm store?
Still waiting for my chicken delivery.
The hawk flies. When I was in CR, the local chicken place cooked their roast chicken over coffee roots. I thought I cooked. You thought you could eat that and hang with your chick forever? That didn't last?
Sounds like you had a bad experience at some point here. I'm sorry.
Looks like NQ's trying to take the lows here again.
Yeah, it's because oil keeps pushing up. Right now we got a little resistance on oil. NQ looks like it's trying to push down. Wow, everything is just kind of dependent on oil right now.
May have made a mistake here. Tried to take a long here on NQ, just in the idea that we've been holding these lows over and over. See if we can't get a little bounce here. A little bit of drawdown here. Come on. Nope, that's not what we want. Yeah, I got stopped out there again, unfortunately. Jeez, man.
It's a little rough at these levels.
Yeah. I mean, I'm keeping my stop super tight, so it's probably part of the reason, but Blackout News Network got cooked. It's hard to walk away, bro. It's hard to walk away.
Like a coffee roasted chicken.
When you said the Hawk Flies, when you said you were in CR,
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I was like, CR.
I don't recognize that ticker.
Yeah. Damn, Gina.
Mm-hmm.
Stop me out. Now it's in the money.
Yeah.
I keep saying it, but I gotta like stop trading this area. So what has been happening here on the wars? I know I saw something about a Canadian or a boat got attacked in the strait, and the rice, we like lost like a huge amount of rice that was being sent to Canada.
Okay.
Yeah. I think it was meant for food banks, I guess. I don't know.
I don't know. I didn't turn on the news at all yesterday or today. I've hit my limit for the amount of bullshit I can listen to in a day.
Okay. Trying to adjust my camera here. It's A little bit high.
You are? So early in the morning?
Yeah. This damn camera.
Mm.
There we go. I guess that bounce was a option for an entry on a short there.
Mm-hmm.
Oil's not really doing anything.
Yeah, it's just playing around in a between the Asian high and the high a day.
Mm-hmm. And we're like
Orders
playing
on
around
oil. I'm sorry, what was that?
and I said, and he's like playing around with the low a day.
It's funny how that works. The on oil there are a lot of orders between 97 and 100. On NQ, I mean, there's 1,000 orders just above current price, 10 points up at 600 level.
Tim says he's going to hand deliver the chickens to you. He needs a vacation.
All right, perfect. Come on down.
Ooh. So we do have some orders. Oh, look at 24,600 has 1,200 contracts on it.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying.
Oh, sorry.
You weren't paying attention.
Obviously, I wasn't in one ear and out the other.
Do you need to go back to sleep there, buddy? What's going on?
Maybe, just maybe. I mean, what do you think? If we blast through that again, that's a pretty bullish sign. I would think.
Be real careful about being bullish on anything right now. Oil just hit 96.90, and those orders aren't getting filled on NQ.
It could be like sort of a stop blocker.
Hmm.
It just came on, hey? Interesting. Sort of at 11:15 they showed up on the book there. They look like they're real orders too, because I don't see algo lines on it.
There's no algo lines on it. Those look like all honest to goodness orders by real red-blooded people.
Red-blooded peoples. Lots of people talking about Apex accounts a lot lately, hey? With its new rules.
Mm-hmm. Everybody seems to be talking a lot about it. A lot of people complaining about it, saying, "Oh no, they're not going to do $1 million payouts anymore. Woe is me! I'm not going to be able to stack up an account without going to live." Me, me. If you complain about that shit, I will make fun of you, and you will deserve it. Just saying.
Tim Course sounds like a guy who's 6'8" in a flannel shirt and working books. You
He
ready to
actually is. He's a lumberjack in Minnesota.
Nice.
He has an ox. It's blue. When he built his home on top of the mountain, it came to a point so he couldn't really build his house there, so he had to chop it down with the side of his hand and flatten it out a little bit to be able to put his house up there.
Nice.
We're just going to continuously confuse Paul Bunyan with Tim. That's how it's going to go from now on.
Boots? My dad said boots. Nope, I'm 185, jack of all trades, master of none. There you go.
I was only a little bit off. I called you a jackass of all trades yesterday, so which idiot politician needs to make a comment about the war to get the oil prices to come down and NQ and ES to jump up?
I wonder who that might be.
It's got to be someone. Come on, peepholes. I think I'm going to go grab that coffee I've been wanting now. See you in a bit.
Sounds good. See you in a minute. You're seeing an order block on NQ at 640. What does the book map say for you? 640. I mean, we have about 36 contracts there on MNQ. Nothing too huge. So half of all LNG carriers trapped in the Gulf. Ooh, that's not very good. So oil's still just sort of grinding up here, guys, slow and steady.
Yeah, oil does not want to seem to come down.
Nope, just hanging out up there.
Famous last words, right?
Totally. I'll be back 1 sec, sorry.
I'm half tempted to put on an oil long here and just put an OCO order on it and let it go for the day. $229 orders up at 97.20 on oil.
Did I miss anything?
No, I was just saying I'm tempted to put an OCO order on oil long when it pulls back a little bit and just leave it. Risk like $200. Put a take profit in at $99.99.
Nice. Tim had a question for you, Nick. On MES, how many ticks do you set your trailing stop?
How many ticks do I set? What?
Your trailing stop.
It depends on the account I'm trading. Sometimes I will place a 40 tick trailer for 10 points if it's moving quickly in a trend. And other times I will put a 100 tick trailer depending on the day more than anything.
Mm-hmm.
What's NQ doing right now?
It's bouncing up a bit. Up, recovering some of that flush down.
All right.
Yeah, it's looking like it's trying to go bullish here for a minute.
Gonna say oil just went off the created a new high of day, rejected off of that, and started coming back down. So
Mm-hmm. Tim was using a 40 tick stop loss this morning and was getting wicked out. And that's on MES, hey? Yeah, well, price is pretty volatile here. Wow, look at that recovery.
yep, oil's dumping.
Right into a bearish fair value gap. Or bullish, sorry.
Ooh, nice.
95, 96 area. Oh, just kind of took it.
So oil just passed through the Asia high.
Inverted that fair value gap.
It's coming down toward London high right now. Just broke through London high, rejected off it, and came back up.
And NQ bounced up and rejected right off this bearish fair value gap at 24,691. Uh, Trump is getting his banking cronies to keep the oil's price scamming. And Blackout News said, I think I'm going to go clean my garage now. Happy with your session? Nice. Good job there, Blackout Network. The Hawk Flies. I've joined the Jim Keltner band, and it's working for me. Who's Jim Keltner? I'm not sure I know that name. Keltner Channel's ATR based indicator. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Kind of looks like oil wants to go lower here.
Looks like it, but is it going to?
Yeah. Kind of holding that level.
$94.80, $94.90 areas. Doesn't want to get back down to midnight price, and it's just playing around with London high on oil.
Wow, quite the pullback there. Nasty price action.
Oh yeah, it is. Oil is slippery.
NQ pulled back, what, 70, almost 70 points there on that little pullback. Popped up by like 70, then pulled back 70.
Yeah, everything's a little bit too volatile right now for me to feel comfortable taking anything. YM's bouncing around.
You're plus 50 today off of 3 quick scalps. Got to session late, so I think that's me for today. I got some money tomorrow from fiat work, so going to buy some evals to be better on the next week. We'll torch these 25Ks. Oh, you thinking you might torch them? Don't do that.
Sometimes that's your best bet.
Yeah.
Depends on your how long you've been holding them, how much drawdown you're in. Sometimes torching an account is not a bad thing. Torch them, cancel your subscription, get a different one, start fresh. If you still have $1,000 in drawdown, totally different story.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I guess. Comes down to the overall state of it. You got 550 drawdown on them? On the 25Ks. Well, hey, that's like half of it. Are those evals or are those fund? I think those, you said those were funded accounts. Tick trailing stop. Just went short on MES 6708, says Tim. Never got to profit target yet, but been using them to find my feet and refine my strategy. Okay, yeah. Top one, instant eval still. Oh, funded instant. Top one futures, instant eval. So is it eval or is it instant funded? Sorry, because when you say instant, that makes me think it's an instant funded account.
Yeah, it's either instant funded or an eval. Can't be both.
Yeah. Tim Korth is here. Everybody knows the drill. We put out bowls of Skittles and lock ourselves in the vault until he leaves. We'll be fine. What? Oh, Ignite 25K as well. I mean, if you're half your drawdown still, don't blow those guys, man. Unless you're like planning to buy a larger account or something. But even then, like if you still have half the drawdown, because that's like $1,000 on the drawdown, right?
Think so.
Gonna cap some Apex and TPT accounts. Nice. I'm gonna turn my mic off here for a sec. I gotta quickly type something. You guys don't need to listen to that. I'll be back 1 second.
I think we've been picking on him about his keyboard too much here.
Stuff.
So we are sort of flagging out off of this bullish move back up here on the NQ, but is this going to be just the pop before they continue going lower? We'll have to be patient here and see what the market's going to give us. Let's see. Darren, you'd expect this pot to be another lower high? Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking too, possibly. I did a bonehead thing last night, opened up my chart, took a short on ES, thought I was on MES, made a quick $100 and got out fast. Good thing because it ripped higher right after I closed it. Nice job there. Just Jamie, sorry about that. You're hearing my keyboard here.
It is nice when a mistake turns into something good.
JV-WZ, hey, good morning. How are you? I can use the bathroom quick. 1 sec.
Go for me too. Time to go all in now? On what? Looks like ES is trying to pull down again. We got a bunch of orders down at 67.05. Take that trade. Locking in 200. It pushes down to the low a day at 66.8460. Lock in 250 on this one. Lock in 300. Still looks like it's pushing down on the book map. It targeted 66.84. Looks good to me. Gonna hit that low a day. A little bit of buying going on above at 6,700. I'm sorry, orders up at 6,700. Took a little profit on that one. Still have 5 micros in here.
Anything good happened while I was gone?
I took a 10 micro short on ES.
Nice.
Still in it with 5. Took a little profit off the this when it started pulling back here. But I still have 5 in.
Nice.
And now that's locked in at 125. So
Hoping to get a little bit of a runner action.
was hoping. We'll see. Book math is pretty evenly weighted above and below current price. Seems to be a little bit more sells up above though. You got 289 at 6705, 273 at 6700. Which, I mean, it's only 4 points above, but 3-minute candles looking pretty indecisive.
Mm-hmm. Still just kind of stuck in this range, though, aren't we? Oil's bouncing pretty nicely. Morning from California. Hey, Tony, good morning.
All right. Stopped out in profit on that one.
Rand Gap Boy was 5 minis long on NQ. When was that? That was 906. Hopefully, 905. I don't know if you hopefully you bought that pullback. So oil's sitting right on that New York VWAP right now.
So a bad time to trade it all the way around. I'm in an MES long scalp right now. A trailing stop loss on it, but I'm in 6 micros at 67.07. Just took 2 off of it.
Nice.
And I'm out for 125.
Very nice. Very nice trade.
I actually held that one for a lot longer than I thought it was going to. But you know something? It is way too late for me to be trading anymore. So
Good.
I think I'm getting the hell out of here.
Yeah.
I do practice an extreme form of Tibetan meditation. Movement is only allowed at the beginning of an odd second. It has to last for an even number of seconds. And you're only allowed to do it for 3 breaths. All right, Dave. I'm
Okay, Nick.
gonna get out of here. Go see if I can get some ants to bite me.
Nice. Sounds good. Get
I'll
caught
talk
up
to you
in
in
a
the
little
morning.
bit of that early morning sleep.
Yeah. You took all the sleep that I wanted.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you in a bit.
Sounds good, Nick. Yeah. Thanks. How's the weather in California there, Tony? I'm assuming it's probably pretty warm. .63 Fahrenheit. Nice. What is that? Do you know what that would be in Celsius? I would have to look that up. I'm assuming it's probably pretty warm. .32. Whoa. Yeah, that's pretty toasty. That's probably like it's about as hot as we get in Canada or in Vancouver area anyways. It's probably under 10 degrees right now here, Celsius. Let's see. 2 degrees. So it's pretty cold today. Yeah, that's why I got the fireplace in the background. Right? Yeah, we had some pretty crazy wind and snow in the last couple days. What time we got here? It's 9:20, guys. I think I'm gonna have to wrap it up here too. Got some stuff to take care of today, but thanks a lot for hanging out, guys. Hopefully you guys are green. Appreciate you guys tuning in as per usual. Thanks, Tony, the Hawk Flies, my dad, Mr. Stewart, Rangap Boy, Just Jamie, JV, Tim Korth, Darren Does Things, Czar Trader, Blacko Network News, Tim Korth. I think I said Tim already. And Kaylin was here earlier also. Good to see y'all. Lafta. And that's the end of the list. Hey guys, thanks so much. Yeah, I'll be on live tonight for the Asia session there, guys. So yes. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Appreciate you, and I'll see you guys later tonight. Peace out. Have a good one.